Here's a fun recipe for grapefruit gummy bears from Chef John Menges at Le Cuvier Winery in California. This is served as a pairing for one of the Le Cuvier wines, but has no alcohol in it. It's great for kids. It's great for anyone who likes gummy bears or grapefruit juice. The recipe is very easy. Start by putting about 120 milliliters, about half a cup of grapefruit juice into a bowl. Take about 22 grams or about 3/4 ounce unflavored gelatin and sprinkle it on top of the juice. While the gelatin is softening, you're going to take about 177 milliliters or another 3/4 cup of juice and put it into a small saucepan. Add 59 milliliters, or that's 1/4 cup of sugar to the juice in the pan, and you're going to heat that until the sugar has dissolved. Pour the hot mixture from the pan over the gelatin in the bowl and mix it up until it's very smooth. If you like, you can whisk it to get rid of any small lumps of gelatin. But then you're going to want to let it sit so that the bubbles subside before you pour out the mixture into the mold. Gummy molds are not hard to find. I bought this one online. You can get them in department stores, houseware stores, and they come in different sizes. This is actually considered a jumbo size gummy bear, although they really are pretty small, only about 1 inch in length. Since the mold is very flexible, it's a good idea to put it on something solid so when you put it in the refrigerator, it doesn't bend and make a mess. Take the grapefruit mixture and pour it into a pitcher, and then use the pitcher to fill the mold. When you're pouring the liquid in, you don't have to fill each little cavity individually. You can just pour it in and then spread it with a spatula. An offset spatula is helpful. Now these will firm even if left at room temperature, but if you refrigerate them, it will happen a lot faster. These are chilled, but they're not going to melt at room temperature. They're really fun, and they taste good. Thanks for joining me for 1 Minute Maven. For more tips, look for us on YouTube.